A quick one from us here at Flynn Product Design. Did you know we offer an online workshop for product startups? One of the key lessons surrounds challenges to new product business and key to understanding why some fail to thrive. So here are 5 client mistakes developing and launching products. Number 1. Clients often fail to understand what we call product DNA. A product needs critical ingredients in its makeup that allow the product to thrive. Get this wrong, and you have your work cut out gaining and retaining market traction. To use an analogy, one plant may wilt in the sun while another thrives. The design team need to figure out what that environment is in order to design to thrive. Number 2. Does the client understand the investment needed in innovation and industrial design? Do they understand how to get a return on that investment? Really? Industrial design is a front-loaded expense, so it's critical this pays for itself many times over. As industrial designers, for the most part, we are designing for mass production. Faults or snags in part design which goes to tooling is then made worse by the scale you propagate those errors. Hire the right people who understand this well. Number 3. It's really common for clients to get stuck on one particular solution to the problem, namely their idea. It can be a challenge to get clients to look at this idea objectively and ask the question, are there better design options we can dream up? You have to start by wanting to do this in order to hire a firm to do that for you. This is commonly overlooked by many who then take forward a suboptimal design to market. Number 4. Understanding types of risk in product development. Developing a product is not easy. It takes decades of experience to do it at a high level. Clients need to be thinking about technical risk, especially when looking at a feature stack. Often, a pragmatic approach is required. Be ambitious but don't overreach. The workshop is a safe place to get this thought process into action. Our last point, number 5. Again, a super common mistake that ties in heavily with mistake number 3. If you're leading with a suboptimal design solution and start your product development journey with the belief you have to patent first, which happens more than I can tell you, then the client often starts down the pathway to protecting that suboptimal design. Depending on where the client enters dialogue with Flynn, for example, they might already be fully patented up with 10 international patents, for example. That's a large sum of money, invested yet engaged top-level product designers who follow our philosophy. We might swiftly see this is not the design route you want to take to market. So it can be very challenging for clients to realize this. So if you have a product business or are considering developing a product, selecting the right innovation partner is critical. Reach out to us today at flynnproductdesign.com.